Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Overnight was a relatively positive night for the market traders as the bulls regathered and again eventually took the challenge above this week's high around 77 cents and now presents the resistance at 77.45 where this downtrend comes in. Overall, I am still bearish and I still expect to see good supply coming from this region and look back towards the 76.80 support, which is seen minor, with the overall view holding to 76.35. Measuring the quality of the daily studies, the MACD is still at this stage not fully bullish, even though it's just sneaking above the zero axis. And also with the stochastic slightly mixed, but holding to a bullish case, but the RSI is not supportive. Therefore, my view, while the main downtrend holds around that 77.45, is negative. Well, we now move into the fifth consecutive trading day, and the market still remains in a solid consolidation pattern for the euro, considering the fact that we've had few announcements from China and the US in regards to the war trades. Overnight, China announced plans for a 25% tariff on 50 billion a year worth of American exports, including planes, cars, soybeans, and chemicals. At present, my view from a technical point is bearish, and I still look towards the downside, eventually taking the challenge to 122.45 and this double top reversal neckline at 121.80 to 122 the figure. As I've been saying for quite a while now, a break beneath there will give exposure to the 118 region. Resistance on the day is seen at 123.35.45. Finally, dollar yen turns slightly positive overnight and takes the challenge higher and breaks the 106.65 resistance and now exposes the next level of 107.30. Overall, I do expect to see further gains. This week, we still have on Friday the US non-farm payrolls due to be released. The market is looking for a 190k number. Previously was a more upbeat number of 313k. The previous employment rate is seen lower at 4% from 4.1. From a technical point now, as I mentioned, I am bullish. Support comes in at 106.45. A break of 107.30 would give further exposure and see a lot of stops triggered and rally to 107.70 to 108.55. Well, like the euro, the pound is also in a consolidating pattern, and you can see here the MACD is very flat as it holds around that zero. Looking for direction, I think the market's now waiting for the Bank of England to get a bit more of a direction. If they are more hawkish, then we could see a slight recovery from current levels and this uptrend holding at 139.15.30. Nevertheless, I still expect to see this level challenged with the resistance at the moment seen at 141.35. Gold, interesting price action over the last 24 hours as it took the challenge up towards the highs of 13.48 before rejecting. And you can see here has posted a gravestone doji, which in terms is an indecisive pattern, but also bearish. If this is the case, further confirmation in the next 24 hours could see the market lead lower as safe haven demand reverses from the posted gravestone doji. Next target is at 26 and down to 20 with the support seen at 17. We could find demand from there, but the bullish foundation is holding at 1300. Resistance on the day now seen at 35 to 42. And like with the doji gravestone, this time around, oil was posted a flying stone, the dragonfly doji. This is also signaling indecisiveness. Nevertheless, it was a rejection from the trend line, which comes in around $61 a barrel. And if we get further confirmation, this could actually see a retracement up towards the highs that were seen of the recent rejection of 66. So keep an eye on this in the next 12 to 24 hours, as we could see the market rally on further if its pattern is true to its nature. So that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the day that's ahead.